Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to present to you TED Optimus Trading Tournament 2023. Sharpen your stock market skills by competing in the largest trading tournament in town. So for example, this one is our weekly financial market articles written by our seafood. Now, show you. So basically, there are about 270 articles written by our seafood. He wrote about a lot of different topics. Any topics that you want to learn, basically you can search from this weekly financial market articles. Let's say you want to learn about trading. So you just need to click trading. And then he has written about 153 articles about trading. Let's say you want to learn about trading psychology. So you click psychology. Trading psychology, E-S-Y-C-H. Okay. Trading psychology, yeah. There's written 22 articles about trading psychology. Let's say you want to learn about moving average, okay, for example. So there are 4 articles about moving average and many more different topics that you want to learn. You basically can find in our education under weekly market articles.
A few moments later.
Hey my friend, so for weekly trading and investing articles, I noticed that the video is a bit short and that's why I would like to elaborate more on it. Now for weekly investing and trading articles, basically you guys can just look for any topics that you guys want to learn or are interested about. For example, let's say I want to learn about syndicates or market mover. So I just need to click syndicate. And then there are about 4 articles written about syndicate. And then let's say you want to read the article, you just need to click here, view article. So once you click into it, the article will pop up. So there will also be charts and tables and also diagrams being included in most of the articles for you to understand better. Just like this article, you see there's a chart. Okay, in fact there are different charts in this article. So for example, you want to learn about reversal signal, okay, and then let's say you are interested to read this article, so you just click view article and then you can read it. Of course there will be chart provided as well for the article, so you can clearly identify how to spot reversal. Let's look at one more topic, maybe cut loss, and then let's say this one, the first one. So same procedure, view article, and then yeah, there will be a chart as well. So for most of the articles, there will be charts, diagram, table for you to understand better. So that's all for my elaboration on weekly investing and trading articles. Hope that you can learn as much as possible through this weekly investing and trading articles section. So it'll be under education and then you are able to look for it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.